Hello, I hope you're having a great day. I thought we could unbox my PR packages together. I have quite a few, so I thought I would show you guys what I got. Let's start with this tiny one. It is the OG products. I'm so excited to try these. So it comes with a highlighter, a blush, and a contour stick. And they also sent the blender brush for, oh, that's so soft. Stay tuned for a video of me using that. The next package I got is by Promise Baby. We hope Roman loves his new bamboo pieces. Color. They are bamboo. They're just amazing, amazing quality. Love that they put little grippies on the footies. Beautiful. Gorgeous. They're just nothing at the bottom, so you could have them barefoot or soft. A formula maker. And this one has an app, so you can just set it. If you just have a bottle sitting there, coffee and baby's bottle can be ready at the same time. All right, and the last one is Trophy Yoga. This is gonna look so good on. It is like a crisscross top. It's gonna make the girls look amazing. And then they also sent over matching pants to go with it. Crisscross sports bra and some matching pants to go with it. These are some flare crisscross ribbed pants. Love it.